Hello, and hope you are doing well today. I am going to take a moment, quick little tutorial to show you how you can take a location from Google Maps and download that onto your Mac or PC and then upload it into your virtual reality atmosphere such as ClassVR. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is go to StreetView download.eu. And once you have landed on this website, you are going to click Street View Download 360, and it will give you two options for Windows or a Mac. And you're just going to follow these directions, and it gives you all the little details, various downloads, different links to get in touch, all that great information there. So you're going to download it onto your Mac or PC, and you're going to notice that the application opens up as such. And as you see here, I already filled out some of these fields. Generally, this will be all blank. So let me show you what that does. So once you download it once, you're done, you're good. You can then just go to the website, which is iStreetView.com. And by default, it actually takes you to some random location in the world or under the world at like this point here. You never know what you're going to get. Fascinates me. And you can, just like Google Maps, you can go around, take a look at the views that they're giving you and all that fun stuff. But for today, you generally want to take the students that you're doing the virtual tour to a specific location, like New Era Field in Orchard Park, New York. Go Bills. Let's Super Bowl it. Okay, so what you want to do is do the Street View. So you can go through, and I copied that link really quickly, but just to show you, here it is here, New Era Field, home of the Bills. You could be as specific as you want. So when you go to the Street View, what I did was I took a little walk to get to the front of the stadium, like it is here. Zoomed in just a little bit, and this URL will change according to the latitude and longitude. All right, so I already copied that, and I'm going to go back to iStreetView.com, and over here on the left-hand side is load a panorama. So I'm going to paste that link right into here and click load. So as you see, it loaded here, and I think I'm looking at the parking lot. I have to turn around here. Where'd you go, Bills? There you are, the Bills. Okay. So here we are. So this is the Panorama ID that I want. And if you noticed really quickly that when I clicked on it, it said it was copied, no additional attention there needed. I can now go back to my application. I'm going to take it from the top. So I'm going to open to find a location. I'm going to keep it in my documents, and I'm going to name this a different name. File name the Bills. By default, just let you know, it's called Street View 360. I would try to get in the habit of naming your file per location, especially if you're uploading it into some other location, so it doesn't overwrite. Just a little advice. I'm going to click then Save, and I'm going to enter in my new Panorama ID. I just pressed Control A, selected all, deleted, pasted. You'll see that you'll have resolution, so you can go in and change that resolution size. I'll just keep it like that for right now, and then click Download Panorama. Takes a minute or two. All right, great. So it's downloaded, complete. Right now it's on New Era Field, so I'm going to flip it over to Bills. And here is my location here. As you see, the Bills is all the way over here, and you're going to have the street view walking around. You can also delete it from here as well. So we're good. We're good here. We actually don't even need that open anymore. So now I'm going to go back to ClassVR, and in my libraries under my cloud, I'm going to click upload. And here it is, the Bills. As you see, did it a couple times, different views. I'm going to upload that. Actually, let me get that out of there. Clear all tracks. Takes a minute. Perfect. And here we are. So I'm going to put over here. And now I can send my Bills playlist to all my headsets, and they can enjoy what used to be Ralph Wilson Stadium, now New Era Field. Go Bills. If you need any help, you know how to get a hold of me. Have fun.